A very good morning to you, Harsha. So, very important battle today for 7 seats, 4 for Aam Aadmi Party and 3 for the Congress in the India Alliance. Now, important to note here that the Met Department has declared a red alert for the heat wave. So, I want to know what are the preparations that the ECI has done for the convenience of the voters so that more and more voters come out and vote.
So right now, Ginni is showing you the visuals as Basuri Suraj, the New Delhi BJP candidate, has arrived here at the polling center in Janpath Freemasons Hall. And to tell all our viewers that it's early in the morning and Basuri Suraj has already arrived. These are the visuals from the polling booth where Basuri Suraj is also meeting the voters who have arrived at the polling center early in the morning. And Basuri Suraj is also amongst one of those voters who have arrived here early in the morning to cast her vote. And the entire family of Basuri Suraj, the relatives are all here to cast their vote at the Freemasons Hall at the Janpath. To tell you that Basuri Suraj is also the candidate of the BJP New Delhi, and she's the daughter of late Sushma Swaraj, the minister who has held several positions in the BJP 2014 as well. But Basuri Suraj had also campaigned extensively in the entire New Delhi, keeping it firm and rigid that it is not because of her mother, because of the Sangathan, because of the organization and her own work that she had got ticket from the BJP. And these are the morning visuals as we can see that the chaos at the polling station is a lot right now because everyone wants to get that first reaction from the Basuri Swaraj. We are also here, we'll wait for her. But from each and every issue of New Delhi, she campaigned extensively where she stated that how BJP will win this New Delhi seat once again. To tell you, Ginni and Samiksha, that in 2014 and 2019, BJP won all the 7 seats in the national capital. And this time also BJP is very confident of a comfortable win. However, there's a two-way battle in national capital between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP here, especially in the New Delhi seat. If we talk about it's Basuri Swaraj versus Somnath Bharti, the Aam Aadmi Party candidate. And we very precisely know that in the India Alliance, Aam Aadmi Party has taken several seats, and only two were given only to the Congress, the Northeast Delhi and the Northwest one. Rest in all these seats, Aam Aadmi Party has fielded their own candidate. I asked them, a camera person, to be there at the visuals from the polling station only, because we can see how stringent arrangements have been done outside and inside the polling booth, where it is being checked that how voters should easily go and cast their vote inside, and therefore it's being maintained that there should not be chaotic or the ruckus seen here at the polling booth. And that is the reason why right now Basuri Swaraj has not given any of the media bites. We all are waiting for the media bites, sound bites from Basuri Swaraj, but it will only happen once she will cast her vote. These are the visuals from the Freemasons Hall where Basuri Swaraj has entered to cast her vote with all the family members here. And she's also one of the first voters, also sending across the message that how important it is to cast the vote. And therefore also the appeal is being made by Basuri Swaraj early morning when 6 o'clock she went to the Jhandewala Mandir. She said that it's very important that each and every voter should skip the heat and should come to the polling station early in the morning. And we see right now the voters arriving here at the Freemasons Hall. We'll try to go inside and also so that we could have a word from Basuri Swaraj. And these are the visuals from the Freemason Hall polling center.